it feels like a community and not a school. People actually care about each other, which is really nice, especially coming from like a bigger school where you kind of get lost in the muddle.
It is like a tight-knit community of friends, and like these people can actually help you be more creative and outgoing.
I think a lot of us have gotten more confident. Like our skills have not only improved, but like just as people. A lot of us are really introverted, especially at our home high schools. And I hear people talk all the time. They're like, oh, I never talk at my home high school. I never joke at my home high school. But then we're here and we're all friends. We're all laughing and joking. We have a really close connection with our teachers.
And then also a lot of the learning we do is very hands-on. So instead of like traditional assignments, it's lots of projects, it's lots of field trips.
The one thing I wish people knew about the Bay is you will be heard in everything you do. If you have a question, they will answer it to their fullest ability. If you have an idea, you will not be shut down. If you want to do something, they're going to help you do it.
I think you just got to experience it first. Like it's one of the best things that's ever happened to me. I think you just got to come here and see it.